Hello everyone and welcome. Push-ups are one of the best total body exercises you can do. Not only do push-ups increase upper body strength, toning your chest, shoulders, and triceps, they also work your entire core. I'm talking abs, back, and glutes, plus internal stabilizer muscles like your pelvic floor. That is, as long as you're nailing your form. When you fully engage all these muscle groups in your body, push-ups become incredibly effective. And while there's nothing wrong with doing push-ups on your knees, if that's your current fitness level, push-ups on your feet recruit more muscle groups at one time and help you build max strength. Aside from full body toning, push-ups further prime your body for all kinds of other exercises, especially pulling and pushing moves. Think pull-ups or bench presses, along with any motions that require a solid core. And that kind of functional strength applies to rest days and everyday life too, like when you're pushing a door open, for example. Regularly busting out push-ups can also help you build better posture before you dial up your push-up count and start the 30-day push-up challenge. It's important to make sure your form is impeccable. Keep a few tips and tricks in mind for the optimal push-up. If you're new to push-ups, try to perform them next to a mirror or record yourself on your phone. That way you can monitor your form and make sure you're properly aligned. How to do a perfect push-up. Bring yourself into a high plank position with your feet a bit wider than hip width apart. Your shoulders should be stacked over your wrists to avoid stress on your shoulders and wrist joints. Think about keeping your ribs in, core engaged, and bottom tucked under to maintain alignment and protect your lower back. As you lower yourself down, elbows should point 45 degrees away from your body, and your gaze should be just in front of your hands. Then push into your entire hand and press yourself back up, maintaining the same shape and alignment. Benefits. 1. Improved upper body strength. Push-ups are a great upper body strengthener. That's because they work essentially your entire upper half, including the front of your chest, both the front and back of your arms, aka biceps and triceps, shoulders, and upper back. 2. Improved core strength and stability. But push-ups aren't just about upper body strength. They can be a full body workout if done correctly. A big part of that total body work includes core strength and stability. When performed correctly, push-ups are a great way to stabilize and strengthen your core. That means the core isn't just about your rectus abdominis, aka abs, but also includes many other muscles in your midsection. 3. They can double as cardio in certain scenarios. Push-ups can also double as cardio. 4. Supports strong bones. Push-ups do more than build muscles and challenge your heart. Because they are a weight-bearing move, push-ups can also promote good bone health. Weight-bearing exercises can help build strong bones and slow bone loss. When performed with proper form, push-ups are a great way to strengthen your upper body and stabilize your core. They can also provide a solid cardio challenge, promote good posture, and support healthy bones density. Thank you.